This is an in-depth tutorial of how to apply fragrance oil. And just to be clear, I'm not talking about concentrated perfume oils or attars. In this video, we're gonna use a fragrance oil that's mixed with carrier oils. In this case, it's going to be mixed in with coconut, grapeseed, and jojoba oil, alongside other ingredients like vitamin E. So we can basically treat this fragrance oil as if it was a skincare product, because it's going to be lightweight and easily absorbed into your skin, which is gonna help moisturize it. And of course, it's also gonna help you smell super nice. Now, before you apply your fragrance oil, these are the steps you need to follow in order to achieve the best results. First, you need to take a shower and wash your face. In simple terms, this is gonna help open up your skin in order to better receive the benefits of the skincare product that you are applying. And the first thing you need to do right after taking a shower and washing your face is moisturizing your skin with unscented lotion. Having healthy and moisturized skin is something that helps fragrances last a lot longer on your body. Right after applying the moisturizer, you're gonna wait for about a minute for it to dry up, and that's when you're going to apply your fragrance oil. You have to be careful though, because this is basically pure oil. So if you stain your clothes, it's not gonna dry off. It's gonna stay there for like at least 24 hours or even longer. So the only option you have is to change your clothes or wash them if you have the time. So if you want to be extra careful, apply your fragrance oil before you put on your shirt. Now you're ready to apply your fragrance oil. Depending on the kind of oil that you have, you might need to shake the bottle. But after that, you're gonna dispense the desired amount of oil into your fingertips and spread it evenly into your hands. Then you're gonna massage it lightly into your skin and let it absorb for about a minute or two. I would recommend for you to apply it on your face, neck, shoulders, arms, and your pulse points. If you have facial hair, I would also recommend for you to apply it there and brush it through. Of course, when I say apply desired amount, I do not mean use the whole bottle. You might need to get to know your fragrance oil beforehand, because it might be greasier than mine, or it might have a stronger scent. So it all depends on what you're using and what you like. Hey, it's Cowboy, media editing here. And I just wanted to pause the video to ask you to subscribe if you haven't already, so I can continue making high quality videos for you. In order to store your fragrance oil safely, I would use the same guidelines as a perfume or cologne. So keep it away from heat, sunlight, and rooms that change temperature often. Now you think you're finished, but no, you can still do more. A lot of people actually layer fragrance oils with actual fragrances like colognes, perfumes. Now, because my oil has a very earthy scent with a touch of pineapple, I like to layer it with fresh fragrances like Creed Aventus. Now, the biggest mistake you can make is assuming that all fragrance oils are the same. They can be synthetic, natural, heavy and greasy, lightweight. So of course, you shouldn't assume that all fragrance oils are applied the same way. This tutorial is just a general guideline. Once you learn about your own skin condition and your own fragrance oil, that's when you're gonna be able to optimize its use. Now, the fragrance oil that I use was crafted by myself at a workshop by Celeste and Beth. And if you wanna learn more about that experience, I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click right here. Now, I'm interested to know, how do you layer your own fragrance oil? Let me know in the comments below, and as always, if you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.